OPEN stock analysis today and onwards. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. I've been documenting my trading journey for 5 years on this YouTube channel, showing you what's working. Nobody has more videos like this in the space with actual proof. 44,000. So I've been showing you, like, I've been seeing what's working for me, what's not, especially with Opendoor. Pre-market is a bit lower, which I understand, and honestly it's in my favorable way, let's put it this way. Currently it's 4:46 a.m. Eastern time when the video is made, pre-market. So there's a lot of time until we freaking, you know, open, and there's a lot of stuff that can change. But for me, only if I see a second shift above 257, I'm actually gonna look forward to taking things higher. And that is with this added pull down, right? Because I think this can be a start of something big, but I would just still wait for the rules, because randomly buying from expecting a double, more than a double, it's just not gonna happen just on random, you know what I mean? So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.